Like, it makes you feel like you want to fall asleep. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is... So today I am going to do a review on our Lazy Boy recliner over here, the one that I'm sitting on. This is going to be an honest review. This is not a sponsored post. So we have owned this Lazy Boy for almost 5 years now, or a little over 5 years now. And we have enjoyed using this. So today I am going to talk about the pros and the cons based on our personal experience with this sectional recliner Lazy Boy. So me and my family, my husband and my 2 kids, we've come up with a list that I have on here of pros and cons that I'm going to talk about on this video. But we bought our Lazy Boy. The name of the sectional recliner is James, and we have made it customized. So one of the things that we really like about Lazy Boy is that you can customize which pieces you would like to recline. So if you buy it like immediately from the floor at Lazy Boy, this one right here would recline. This one that I'm sitting on does not recline. And then this corner over here does not recline. And then those 2 pieces does not recline, or I think this one does not, and then this one reclines, and this is the chase that also recline. But since when we bought it, we wanted everything, like all the pieces would recline, so we've had it customized. We selected the kind of leather that we wanted because like when we purchased this in the beginning, we thought we wanted leather because it's low maintenance, it's easy to clean. So I'm gonna go through the pros first on my list, and then after that I'm gonna break down the cons as well. So first thing on my list is that when we purchased the sectional, since this is a really big heavy furniture, Lazy Boy delivered and they assembled it, but of course you have to pay for, you know, some money so for them to deliver it, but it was reasonable. It wasn't that expensive. So we've had them delivered, and then the crew that delivered it, they assembled it, and they also showed us how to disassemble it, because underneath the pieces over here, of course at some point in time you're gonna have to vacuum and clean it. But that's one of the pros. And then the next one over here, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we've had this customized. So this one reclines. This one right here also reclines, but it's already broken. The lever over here needs replacement, but this also reclines. And then the corner, one of the good things about this unit is there's an extra storage where you could put the remote control, or you want to hide some little pieces that you want in this storage container over here or unit. And then there's 2 cup holders, you know, just in case you want to like put a water bottle or a drink over here. But we encourage, or we try to ask our kids not to use or not to drink any flavored drinks here, and not to bring food in this area so that we don't make a mess. But we truly took care of our Lazy Boy because we really enjoyed it. And then there's another storage over here, a drawer storage, where you can put little things too, like we put our foot massager in here, and then a small throw blanket or a small pillow, maybe whatever you want to put in there, but that's additional storage. And then This one does not recline. This one reclines. Also, this one reclines. And then the final piece, the chase, also reclines. So as you can see, we made sure that all of the pieces that we have on this sectional recliner will recline, so that, you know, people, my husband and I, when we watch our TV, and then my kids, they would enjoy all the whether which area they would like to sit. Like if they want to sit there, they want to sit here, they would truly enjoy it because it's very comfortable. So we made sure that all the pieces reclines. But some of our guests too, they really like sitting over here, because it kind of like when you sit down, like it makes you feel like you want to fall asleep and then just stay there and just sleep. But I can't remember how many times we've had to like stay overnight over here, because you know, this is our living area, family area. We spend most of our times over here. We watch a movie and then, you know, we just fall asleep, and then you know, we always like enjoy this area. We enjoy our recliner. So yeah, that's one of the good things about Lazy Boy recliner. And then also the next item on my list is that it is very comfortable. The cushion right here, they're stiff enough, but they're not super hard. Like it's very good. Actually, if I would say the quality inside is good, but I'm gonna talk about the peeling of the leather later on and the cons. But if I would say the quality inside is really good, because it's really comfortable and really nice to sit on. So the next item on my pros list is that this Lazy Boy sectional recliner is easy to take apart. You have to like move it so that you can vacuum underneath the floor or underneath the sectional recliner. So there is something over here. I just how I would close the recliner. But in the middle of each pieces, in the middle of that, over here and over there, there is a latch that holds them together. And if you're wanting to like vacuum underneath it, you just have to unhook the latch and then move it backwards. And I couldn't really explain exactly how it works, but I am going to try, or my husband and I are going to try to take a video how to do that, and then I'll insert it at the end of the video so that you would have an idea what I'm talking about. But it's pretty easy to do it, like unhook it and push it back, and then you can vacuum underneath the floor. The next item on my pros list is that, as you can see earlier, they were super easy to recline and super easy to close. So in the video earlier, I kind of like just use my foot to push it down and close it. So that's one of the pros about this sectional recliner. And the next thing is, next good thing or pro thing about this furniture is that since the material is leather, they are super easy to clean. We just use damp cloth and just wipe it off like that and let it air dry, and then done. We don't have to like work hard to clean it. So that's one of the best thing that I like, is, you know, whenever it bothers me a lot whenever there's something that's super dirty and it's so hard to clean. So this is really super easy to clean. Okay, the next item that's on my pros list is that the recliner accommodates our leg length. Now, I am not a very tall person. I'm just 5 feet, but probably it's okay for us because I'm not that tall. But I'm gonna show you really quickly what I'm talking about here. So if I'm just sitting like that, it just accommodates my short legs. And I'm Asian, I'm Filipino, originally from the Philippines. Hi to my kababayan, mga Filipino, Cebuano. I'm from Cebu, but anyway, I'm short. My husband, he's he's taller than me. He's 5'6", so it's still fine with him. And also, if you push it back like that, you have enough room to just fall asleep and be comfortable and not care about the world. So that's one of the things that we like about Lazy Boy. So the last item that's on my pros list is that most parts are free to replace because of their, their lifetime warranty promise of Lazy Boy, which is a good thing, okay? But I'm gonna talk something else, which is in relation to the parts that are free on my cons list later. So those are the items that I have on my pros list, and we truly enjoy our Lazy Boy recliner. This is probably one of the most expensive item that we bought for our house, and for it to last 5 years, I guess it's okay. But I'm gonna talk about even more, and when I'm talking about the cons list, as to why I have more cons than pros about this furniture. So yeah, those are my pros list. Yeah, so those are my pros list. But anyway, while we're at it, don't forget to hit like and then subscribe. This is my YouTube channel, Ray_Home44. And to my current subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting and watching my YouTube videos. And I'm gonna get on with the next list, which is the cons. And we're gonna discuss what we don't like about this furniture.